it is time for a new puzzle. It's a piece puzzle. It's my first puzzle from this series, and I am so excited to see if it will be a relaxing puzzle or not. And yeah, I do think my nails are so beautiful. It will look great assembling this puzzle. Yeah. Can't wait to open the box. I haven't opened it yet, so I do think the image is so beautiful. Like all the puzzles, yeah. Well, I buy my puzzle with a beautiful image, so that's not a new thing to say. But let's start this beautiful one. I'm so ready to relax. Let's go, puzzle! Hey! So I finished it, and my final thoughts are, well, this part with the mountains and all the water was pretty easy. Like, I wasn't expected to be that easy, but the sky was a little painful. and it took me almost 4 hours, which I'm proud of, and I really enjoyed it, and it was relaxing, so I definitely will buy more of the puzzle on this series. So happy puzzling, everyone. Don't forget, if you like my video, please subscribe to support my channel. Bye bye.